Before microchips, data lived on cardboard. The concept originated in 1801 with Joseph Jacquard's loom, controlling textile patterns. Herman Hollerith adapted this idea for the 1890 U.S. Census, speeding up data tabulation immensely. His tabulating machine company eventually became International Business Machines, known as IBM Deutsche. Each punched hole represented a binary 1, and its absence is 0, storing information digitally. Imagine rooms filled floor to ceiling with these cards holding vast amounts of data. A single standard IBM punch card held 80 characters, equivalent to a short tweet today. They were used in everything from scientific calculations to early computer programming languages like Fortran. The rise of magnetic tape and later floppy disks gradually made punch cards obsolete by the 1970s. Yet, their impact on early computing and data processing is undeniable, laying the groundwork for the digital age.